In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your iPhone flash when you get a text or a call. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you might have your phone on silent mode a lot and you want to see an iPhone flash whenever you get a text or a call or any notification like that, just so that you're always aware of anything like that, especially if you're like in a dark area or you don't always have your phone right on you or you don't have your sound on. So what you want to do is go to your settings application. From here, just scroll down until you find accessibility, which is right under general. So just click on that, and then we're going to scroll down some more until you're in the hearing section, and then from here go to the fourth option, which is audio and visual. So just click on that, and then from here you're going to see a lot of different options, but you want to scroll down again until you see visual LED flash for alerts. So we want to click this, and then obviously by default it is off, so we want to turn it on. Now, if you want to always have it, just working and flashing, you can flash while unlocked. So while you're using your phone, if you get a notification or something, it's going to flash, but I wouldn't want this on just because if I'm using my phone already, I'm going to see the notifications. So I would have this off, and that's what I would recommend, but you can have it on if you want to. And then flashing in silent mode. So like, let's say when I'm working or something and I don't want to be too disturbed, but I at least want to see if something's coming through without any sound coming through, I can have it flash in silent mode as well. It says control LED flash for alerts when the ring switch is set to silent or the device is unlocked. But that's literally it, and then once you're done with that, you'll be good to go. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials would you want from this channel in the future.